Hello guys, welcome to the series of tutorial on Angular material with Angular. The first step to use Angular material in your application is to install it in your Angular application. As we need Angular application, if you don't have it already, you can create one by using the command ng-new and the project name of your choice. Once you are ready with your Angular application to install Angular material, you can use the Angular CLI's installation schematic to set up your Angular material project by running the command ng-add at angular/material. The ng-add command will install Angular material, the component development kit, that is CDK, Angular animations, and ask you some of the questions to determine which features you want to include in your project. You can choose those features based on your requirement. Those all questions will be asked while the installation process. So let's see this one in practical. To install the Angular material, open your Angular application in any one of the code editor. Here I have a Visual Studio code editor in which I have opened my Angular application which is already created. Let's open the command terminal. Here type the command ng-add at angular/material, then press enter. The first thing it will ask you for is theme. Angular Material includes 4 pre-built theme CSS files, each with different palettes selected. These files include the CSS for every component in the library. If you don't want to define a custom theme with Sass, you can use any one of these pre-built themes. As you can see here, there are 4 themes. The first one is indigo or pink, which comes with indigo, pink and red color combination of fonts. And the second one is deep purple or amber, which comes with the color palettes of deep purple, amber and red. Similarly, third one, pink or blue gray, which comes with a color palette of pink, blue gray and red. And the final one is purple or green, which comes with a color palette of purple, green and red combination. For this example, I will choose the first color palette combination or theme, that is indigo or pink. The second thing in the installation will ask you for is global Angular material typography styles, as these are the basic material styles which we need in our application. For that one, press yes to install that one as well. And the third one which it will ask is Angular material animations. This particular setting will import browser animations module into your application, which enables Angular's animation system. And this is one of the most important feature which you need to enable it. Declining this will disable most of the Angular materials animations. So this is recommended that you need to select yes for this one as well. Once you press Y, press enter, it will start the installation processes and it will install all the packages and the libraries needed for Angular material. As you can see here, now the packages are installed successfully. When the installation is completed, the project dependencies will be added into package.json file as well. As you can see here, we have Angular material got installed, that is 13.3.9 version. Along with this one, it will install Roboto font into your index.html file. If you go to index.html file, you can observe here Roboto font has been installed here. And along with that one, material icons which are required for our application while using Angular material, that also got installed in our index.html file. And apart from that one, it will add some stylings as well. If you go to styles.css file, you can observe height is set to 100%. And Roboto, that is the font of Angular material, that also set to our application. So now this font becomes the default font for our application. These are the some of the changes done by installation process of Angular material. Once installation is completed, you are done. Angular material is now configured to be used in your application. In the next tutorial, we will test one Angular material component to check the installation completion and verify that everything works fine. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.